What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover your old and deleted WhatsApp messages on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we proceed, make sure you have a backup of your old WhatsApp messages saved on your device. If you're using an iOS device, here's how to check if you have a backup saved in your iCloud storage. Navigate to your settings. On an iPhone or iPad, select your Apple ID name and navigate to iCloud. In your iCloud settings, select Manage Account Storage, and then you can find the WhatsApp Messenger backup in case you saved it in your iCloud storage. If you can't find a past WhatsApp backup in your iCloud, then ensure you're using the correct Apple ID account to access the content of your iCloud storage. In your WhatsApp application, navigate to the Settings section and select Chats. From here, you can proceed to backup your current WhatsApp chat history. You have the option to backup your WhatsApp chat automatically, and you can toggle the Include Videos option on or off. This will depend if you have a lot of videos saved in your chats that might take up a lot of your storage. This is helpful as you can backup your WhatsApp chats from older devices, such as an old iPhone or Android device. After the backup is complete, it will be accessible on your device if you use the same phone number and WhatsApp account credentials. For Android users, you can check if you have a backup saved in your Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account you use for your Android device. Tap on the menu icon on the top left corner and select Backups. Lastly, look for the WhatsApp backup file in the list of backups on your device. If there is no backup available, it's unlikely that you'll be able to recover your old messages. As a last resort, I suggest connecting your mobile device to your PC to find any potential files that might be hidden and contain your WhatsApp data. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.